Hey everybody, it's 10:56 and 17 seconds on Monday, December 17th, getting close to Christmas. This is the drawing for the Werewolf by Night 32, graded 5.0. I'm sure it's going to be a nice Christmas gift for somebody. Over here are the 25 filled spots. Eric, I didn't hear back from you, but I trust you, so you can pay when you get a moment. I'm going to roll the 3 dice. Number is 12. Going to randomize 12 times. Name at the top of the list will get the slab. I will try my best if I have a moment to get to the post office later today to drop it off. If not, it will ship out tomorrow, Tuesday the 18th. So best of luck, everybody. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And here comes the final one. 12. Spot 17, Javier Martinez. Congratulations. Time is 10:57 and